Our project is promoting the importance of outdoor play and also advocating for people to create spaces where children can play. In this playground, we've got different areas. Children love music, and the thing about music, it helps them to move. Children tend to want to move when they hear music, and music involves your whole body. So you exercise your whole body, you use your whole body to express what you are feeling. They also make their own music because there's no music sheet that they are playing to.
Jerry, can you feel it?
And when you are learning your alphabets and reading, like if you are using the phonics system, for example, discriminating between sounds and different notes is very important, so that it helps you with your reading and other academic things that you might need to do. That this does is it helps with eye-hand coordination, because with the younger ones, like the 1-year-olds and those under 2, you have to sort of gauge and make sure that you put it over. So as we were watching them, you could see initially they would make a mistake, then they would correct themselves. So it's self-correcting, and learn skills like counting, putting things in the right place, and And there's a story area as well. So here, the kids sat here. They grown up with them. Their carer told them stories. They sang a little, and they loved it. It just shows you how an environment like that promotes imaginative play. So they make up their own stories, their own narratives as they go along. It helps with language skills. It helps, children who maybe in the classroom are shy now come out here and they feel free to engage with other people they otherwise would not have. When you're cooking and everybody joins in, and the thing I like about this, it means everybody is an important part of the team, because the kids went to fetch water, they brought the water, they decided they were going to cook, it was egg and rice, so everybody was joining in. So it builds your self-worth, you are part of a team, and it also builds your imagination, because as they are playing, they are now making the story. It's not a rehearsed story. So this one says we're making rice, and then we ask, and with what? And the other one says egg. So together they learn to cooperate for an outcome. You learn through all your 5 senses. And so when we have a part of the Montessori curriculum that's called sensoria, and all that does is to provide exercises that sharpen your skills. One of them is the sense of touch. This sensory path is what it gives them different terrains, different surfaces that children would not just walk on, maybe use to build, maybe explore in art and stuff like that. So you can either crawl on it, you can use your feet, you can use it any which way how you like. So what can you feel?
Rough.
Rough, wow.
Can you feel it? And touch this one too. Touch the one. Touch the one. Leave the hands, let it go.
So it also promotes a lot of sharpening of the senses and recognizing the terrain next time they see it somewhere. So it's an experience of maybe a surface that they've never encountered before. Blowing in the wind. That's yellow. Remember yellow?
I can do it. You're afraid. No, I'm not afraid.
I mean, climbing encourages children to take risks. It also helps them to take instant decisions. You have to think quickly. For example, if I were to put my foot on this rung and it's wobbly, I'd have to say, the child would realize, oh, this is not safe. Maybe I need to put my, So it's quick thinking, quick decision making, and it also shows them what you are capable of doing. Let's say as a kid you've practiced doing this. This is not too great a height. In future you may be able to do something because you're already you're already confident. In this playground we've got different areas. The thing I like about the art and the reading is that for children who don't want to be outdoors but they don't actually want to take part in the physical, the more boisterous play. So it gives them an opportunity to observe and also the opportunity to take part when they want to. If you're sitting here and let's say you decide to draw a tree, there are different types of green. There are shades of green that you wouldn't find in the classroom. And also for some of the kids as well, it helps them to concentrate. It also is therapeutic for some children as well because we don't really know what goes on in their life outside, the classroom. It also gives them a quiet way of learning as well. Because when you're looking at your friends play, you can pick up other skills, maybe how they've resolved conflict, how this person helped that person and stuff like that. So it also helps your social skills as well. And then maybe it encourages you to realize, oh, this is fun. Maybe it's a shy child. This is fun. I can be part of this. Yeah. Paddle alphabet. Teaches the children learn the sounds, those who know sounds. And so as the older ones are sounding, the younger ones can listen to the sounds. It also promotes eye-hand coordination because you have to hang. There's a little hole in the paddle which you have to, it's very fine motor skills, but you have to sort of hook it onto the little hook. And for young children, that's particularly difficult because they're used to making big movements. And so it also promotes eye-hand coordination and attention to detail because you really have to look and hang it up. There are also different colors, so you could use it in different ways. There are different colors you can use to code colors, but more importantly, sounds.
Good. Now move to the next one.